In this video, I will be sharing where to learn digital marketing. But before I do that, let me just tell you a little bit about myself so that you know where I'm coming from and where I am going. All right? I am married. I have 4 kids. The youngest is Sassy. She is a Yorkie. And then we have Rascal. He is a German Shepherd. And then I have 2 beautiful daughters. The eldest you have seen on this platform. She is with me in the digital marketing business. And then my youngest is disabled and on the autism spectrum. And my husband works in the construction. And it depends on where he is based, because he comes home maybe once every 2nd week and maybe once every month. So I am basically a single mum. All right? And in November of 2023, we were sitting around the kitchen table, as usual, doing our budget, and we realized that a one-income family is just not going to cut it anymore in this economic climate that we are in at this stage. So we joined the Legacy Builders program. Now, the Legacy Builders program is an e-learning program that teaches you step by step how to get your business up and running, and you get a pre-built website, and you get basically, I call it hope in a box, because it is hope in a box. Guys, once you get into the program, you get accepted into a community of over 38,000 people and growing. It's growing at a phenomenal speed, where the community is there to help you with customer support. They are there for motivation. They are there basically for everything. The community, to me, really is priceless, because if you are starting on a new journey, you need somebody to hold your hand. You need somebody that you know is there for any questions that you might have. You need somebody that if you're having a bad day and you type it in the community, there's like hundreds of people commenting and saying, don't stop and don't give up and all that jazz. That is what makes the community, for me, for us, priceless. So if you want to start on your digital marketing journey and you are unsure of the way to do things and the way to get your business up and running, and how do you build a website, and how everything gets done for you. It is a pre-built system. All you need to do is just to connect your links. So guys, if you are interested in starting to learn how to do digital marketing, then this is the place to be. If you are interested, put yes in the comments, and we would love to send you some more details and to help you on your journey to financial freedom. Have a good one, everybody.